If you look at this question now, what is told in the problem, there is a 2-meter ladder, okay, there is a 2-meter ladder like this. A ladder 2 meter long is resting against a wall, okay. So this is the ladder, length of the ladder is given in the problem as 2 meters. A ladder 2 meter long is resting against the wall. Angle between the wall and the ground is 90 degree. So let me call this distance as x meter and let me call this distance as y meter. Is it okay? Y meter. Okay. Now it begins to slide down the wall at the rate of, now this is coming downwards. The top of the ladder is sliding downwards. So coming downwards with certain rate. So velocity basically component is 25 centimeter, but I'll change everything to meter. Minus 0.25. Why? Because it is approaching 0, the value is decreasing, correct or not? Okay. Then the rate at which the bottom of the ladder slides away from the wall, which means this part will now slide away from the wall, right? Dx divided by dt is equal to what? Okay. When the top of the ladder is 1 meter away from the ground, when the top of the ladder is 1 meter away from the ground, this is the data. So now if you can look at this particular figure, I can easily apply Pythagoras theorem. X square plus y square is equal to 2 square. So x square plus 1 square, that is equal to 2 square. So x square is equal to 4 minus 1. So your value of x is equal to root 3 meters. Now again you see here, x square plus y square is equal to 2 square. So differentiate with respect to t. 2x into dx by dt plus 2y into dy divided by dt, that is equal to 0. Divide by 2, x into dx divided by dt plus y into dy divided by dt, that is equal to 0. So now x, what is the value of x? Root 3 into what is the value of dx by dt? That is the question asked. Plus y into what is the value of dy by dt? Minus 0.25. This is equal to 0. So dx divided by dt is equal to 0.25 divided by root 3 meter per second. So which can be written in the form of 25 centimeter per second here by root 3. Okay, 25 by root 3 centimeter per second. This is the answer to the question. Very easy.